still am a senior program and research coordinator at Committee for the Welfare of Prisoners. This is government funded, so local
government.
Sindh government funded.
So yeah. And then the other one? Why are you laughing?
Because do you not know this about me already?
No,
this
I
doesn't
do.
feel natural.
I do.
This doesn't feel natural.
It feels quite natural to me.
No. The other one, I was working at Legal Aid Society for women's right to legal and matrimonial property. That got suspended, called off
because of
the Trump order.
ये वही bill था जो मैंने थोड़ा सा पढ़ा था.
Which one? The bill was just one part of it. It was a whole program that we've had for, I don't know, I think more than 2 years now.
But what about the funding now?
There's no funding.
No, but what about how do things move forward now?
So Sunday night we got to know that there has been a suspension. I was assuming it's going to be a step-by-step process where people will get at least some buffer.
Yeah.
But unfortunately, it's not on the organization either, right? It's not on Legal Aid Society because there's nothing that they can do. So right now, over 150 of my colleagues are gone in the sense that
just like that.
Yeah, because,
in one day.
Yeah,
150 people.
Yeah, because see, they only had funds enough funds to pay for until 31st of January, right?
That's done.
Yeah, so they're like, before I came here, I was just saying goodbye to everyone because I still got retained. I have another project.
You have another project, right?
Go back to work on Monday. But when I walk in on Monday, there's going to be no one there.
That's weird.
It is. It's very emotional because so I know these 150 people. I've worked with them for over 3 years, right? But these 150 people were working in the field, so it's millions who are going to be impacted.
और ये वकील थे?
नहीं, तो सिर्फ वकील नहीं, वकील तो फिर भी I would say कि थोड़े से
they still have the practice or they have something going on. Yeah.
And नहीं वकील भी so because we have different projects going on, right? तो वकालतनामे filed हैं. We can't pull out of those वकालतनाmas, etc. Right? So
obviously.
We still have lawyers who will be representing the case जो हमने at least file किए हुए and we'll see what we can do to like funding बढ़ाने.
और ये cases वही है ना, you were telling me.
They're different. So sexual violence के ऊपर होता है, हमारा project था उसके अंदर था खुला के cases हैं, maintenance है, etc. तो हर project के अंदर different type of case होता है.
और ये तुम सब उन लोगों को represent कर रही हो जो who cannot afford legal aid.
Yeah, so these are all like vulnerable people who can't, underprivileged, nahi kar sakte afford. So, and everything from day one is free of cost. The minute you walk into the office, you don't have to pay a single fee up until aapka case decide hota hai.
Not even the filing? Nothing?
Not a single fee. Not a single fee. किसी चीज के पैसे नहीं लेते हम.
And this was US funded?
हाँ, this was so again हर project की different funding है, but unfortunately जो हमारे पास majority projects थे, 3 I would say, 3 या 4 were funded by the US because US US सबसे बड़ा global development aid जो देता है वो US देता है, it's 43%, right? I think that's 40%.
But what about self-reliance then? Where does self-reliance fall in all of this?
See, ideally, I would say that this situation is as sad as it is. We should be thinking about sustainability and resilience in terms of designing projects
and consistency.
See, you can't just so it's again this entire situation is not just about aid khatam ho gayi, it's also about your agency, right? Because now even because we have a dedicated team who wants to work, but we can't work because everyone has a house, right?
Obviously.
So we can't do it.
But the passion will not pay the bills, right?
Yeah. So of course, I mean, there's a need for your government to step up, which I hope they do.
I hope they do.
I'm not going to make any other comments about it. You should cut this out.
Oh, no, I have no ties.
No, I do, no. But
you do. I don't.
So you need
my father might have ties. I don't.
See, Committee for the Welfare of Prisoners is an example of how you can run a sustainable project.
And this is local funded.
This is, I would say, Committee for the Welfare of Prisoners is funded by the government of Sindh. So the ownership goes back. Any success that we have as a committee is attributed to the government of Sindh, right? Because they're the one who are paying us. So CWP is an example of local government funding projects.
And it's been running since कितने साल हो गए?
2004.
It's a long time.
Yeah, we've represented over
25 years, 25 years.
31,000 people. 31,000 under trial prisoners in petty offences. वो छोटे मोटे crimes जिनकी 7 साल से कम सजा होती है. उसमें से I think we've 12,000 acquit हुए हैं. So they were innocent people in prison.
You were talking something about sentences. Is it called a suspended sentence or a mitigated sentence?
Well, no, I think we spoke about early release, early discharge, probation, parole.
I saw it myself, and it was surprising to say the least.
Yeah, I mean, not so. It was shocking to me.
It was surprising to say the least.
But see, again, hair department, but department में human resource ही नहीं है. तो अगर आपको probation पे किसी को भेजना है या parole पे भेजना है, तो उसके officers होते हैं, right? You've been to the US, you understand their system. There's obviously diversion mechanisms हैं. Not everyone needs to go into the prison up until their trial is decided. Stay there, and then अगर acquit हो गए तो आपके अगर आपने 2 साल गुजारे, then we're sorry for your loss.
There's multiple steps, as you said.
So you know, अगर कोई
jail नहीं जाएगा.
Yeah. So because I've seen so many, I've been working with in CWP for like 3 years now, and I've seen so many cases जो आते हैं गुटखे के लिए.
कितने साल है सजा उसकी?
I'm not a lawyer, so I don't know कि उसका maximum sentence.
Let's assume it's 5 years. Let's assume for the sake of
it. But no. So what I've encountered is कि एक बंदा है, ठीक है, उसके लिए अब उनको पकड़ा, एक तो you know जो आपको रोकते हैं चेक पोस्ट पे. So see, it's not
snap checking होती है.
It's not just the courts; it's the entire system that.
It's the entire system. Yeah, it's just not the courts. It's easy to say, and I sit here and say this a lot. You know, the judges are not doing their job or whatever.
So criminal justice system है तो पूरा system I would say needs reforms, trainings. I don't know what, because it's हर step पे you encounter an issue, right? It begins with the police. Police is the one who like अगर उसने आपको रोका और आपको लग रहा है आपको उसको रिश्वत चाहिए, आप नहीं उसको दे रहे, वो आपको छोटे मोटे केस में जैसे ये गुटखा एक्सेट्रा बना के उसने डाल दिया
या चर्स आपकी जेब में डाल के निकालेंगे, बोलेंगे
हाँ, वो छोटी सी भी क्वांटिटी है, अब उसके लिए आप चले गए जेल. अब आप जेल में जा रहे हैं, आपका ट्रायल आप एटलीस्ट लेट्स जस्ट से 8 months if you're lucky. 8 months
if you're very lucky. If you're very lucky,
8 महीने 1 साल तो लगते हैं, तो and then you're acquitted.
So what about that one?
Right. And you have dependents. I know, like I've come across so many stories, so many individuals जिनको हमने निकलवा दिया. So you know, they then unfortunately, like I don't like saying it, but they become success stories, right? It's very inhumane कि उनको आप degrade कर देते हैं to just like oh my god success story. लेकिन उनके साथ जब आप देखते हो तो उसके साथ 5 dependent थे, उसकी 33,000 रुपए वो उसकी तनख्वाह थी, और जब उसको
for that 8 महीने
there's no compensation.
Then you go and file a case for malicious prosecution, and then you spend your entire life in court, right?
You've been a lawyer for how many years?
5 years.
You've practiced in court. Do you think anything like that would pass?
In 5 years of my practice, मैंने damages किसी को मिलते भी नहीं देखे आज तक. As sad as that is, जहाँ पे बनते भी थे वहाँ पे भी नहीं मिले. I had a case which was on appeal जहाँ पे बंदे को पता नहीं 50 लाख या 60 लाख रुपए मिले थे 20 साल बाद, और वो भी अपील हो गई. तो
20 साल बाद अगर 50-60 मिले तो जब आप उसकी वैल्यू
exactly yes
तो कम हुई है ना. I think about like,
and then you imagine the matter is still in appeal now.
हाँ, वो
so another maybe 5 years.
Listen, appeal तो don't talk about appeals. Appeals तो अगर आपकी लग गई, सबसे आसान तरीका ठीक है, जिस आप जाएं. Again, I'm not a lawyer, but आपका कोर्ट में कोई भी डिसीजन आ गया, for example property का, तो अपील लगा दो, बैठे रहो बस आराम से.
So, and that's where I blame the lawyers as well. It's just not the judges, it's the lawyers as well.
I've had the privilege of looking at some files. Generally, you know, like appeals ki file. I have a lot of lawyer friends. So then chalo like dikhao kya.
You told me you were filing applications to get the files, and then you got the files.
But so you know, like I've had, because like I'm friends with you, I've seen files ki acha appeal hai high court mein, kitta kyun hai. I was high court ki hi thi. I was reading. Kabhi vakil absent, sister is not well, road is absent, eye surgery हुई है, not in
senior is busy before another bench.
हाँ, before another bench. I was like okay ठीक है, फिर अब consent के साथ होगी. अच्छा, oh my god, this paper book, ठीक है, paper book अभी कोई नए आए हैं वकील साहब, उन्होंने paper book adjourn to this noon, ठीक है, noon पे फिर जब शुरू हुई needs more paucity of time. I was like सही है भाई, ठीक है.
But you see, this is how the system is being run.
But I swear to God, I was trying to figure out कि कितनी दफा adjournments आई ना, like I had, and I'm like okay, 1, flip 2 3 and number अगर 39 अगर उधर उसमें hearings हुई है ना तो 18 times तो आपके जो appellant है उसी के वकील ने बोला
You're being generous. 18 भी नहीं,
मतलब जो भी file मैंने देखी I saw a file and I said,
This is just one of the files you saw. Imagine the cases that as a lawyer I see, both criminal and civil.
criminal cases.
Some of them.
What
Yeah. Those
but
were...
have you represented people in prison?
No.
I think that's you're on the other side of criminal.
I think that's what it is, yeah, because I haven't represented anyone who was in prison because then the pressure is different. फिर आपको पता है इस बंदे की जिंदगी.
Yeah, but see again, if someone's hiring you as a lawyer, they also have the resources to hire.
Right, obviously, right? You don't have.
फिर obviously आपको ज़्यादा pressure देंगे, but even with us, हमें उनको लगता है कि एक तो see they don't understand the system.
How the system works, right? Even you, after so long now I can have this conversation with you where you know how the system works.
Yeah.
Now you know.
नहीं so see again, but जो बंदा जेल में है ना, they just want to get out.
Obviously, and I don't blame them.
The first thing that we do, our like committee पे there's a practice कि we अगर हमें लगता है bail application, the first thing is का bail application file करें because see as a program as a committee we understand कि prison is also overcrowded.
You were telling me some crazy numbers the other day.
So there are 22 operational prison facilities.
Right. In Karachi?
In Sindh.
In Sindh, okay.
Overall, ठीक है. उनकी combined capacity is 13,000 something, ठीक है?
Right.
Guess the number of undercover prisoners.
30,000, 20,000?
It's 24,000. But on an average, 22.
Almost double. Almost double.
So at any given time, 70% over capacity पे आपकी prisons operate कर रही हैं. ठीक है? अब वो जो 24,000 है उसमें से मुझे बताओ convicts कितने होंगे? You'd imagine and you're like,
at least 20,000 या 15-20,000 तो convicts होंगे जो already sentenced and now they're doing their time.
Yeah.
15,000, 16,000.
I was just looking at the stats. आज it's 4,600 something.
जिनको sentence हुई है, जिनकी सजा है अब वो time पूरा
at any given point 19,000 से ज़्यादा लोग under trial होते हैं वो जिनकी सजा नहीं हुई so they're innocent until proven guilty.
Right. And their bail applications.
They make up for like 79% of the prison population.
And their bail applications are probably rejected. That is why they're in the jail.
So कभी-कभार ये होता है कि आपको bail हो गई, जैसे हमारे पास होता है कि bail हो गई, but उनके पास जो
surety amount
नहीं है रखवाने के लिए. So what we do, we have funds designated for that. As
just for the surety.
Yeah. We also so Ramzan में we only do a campaign जिसके ऊपर हम surety या ज़कात मांगते हैं for surety and bail. So that is a very sustainable. I feel like I'm just.
आज मेरी नज़र में ना तुम्हारी इज्जत बहुत बढ़ गई है. Because I feel like you're doing like a very good work. I just thought you were sitting in front of a laptop.
Yeah, I think you've always thought of me as someone who's really dumb. I know that. I think people think of me that way. I know it.
No, I've known you for
10 years.
11.
No, 10 years.
2014.
2014, I count. I counted 2015.
I respect you more now. I'm saying this on record.
You started talking to me because you thought मैं ज़्यादा पढ़ाकू and you just wanted to. We were basically accountability buddies. Let's face it.
I think that's what it was.
Yeah. We started talking on Facebook.
I don't know. I delete all the chats.
I still have them.
No, I delete them. Sorry, but I respect you more now. On record मैं कह रहा हूँ ये because that is some crazy work, man.
But see, surety भी is sustainable because मैंने किसी surety रखा है अब अगर तो वो quit हो गया ना तो फिर उसकी surety हम withdraw करते हैं
and then
और वो वापस उसी fund में चली जाती है
उसी fund में वापस
and then the same money helps another person.
So it's in a cycle, right?
Yeah. So जो इसमें मसला होता है for us we know कि सबसे पहले the first step is कि bail application अगर लगे तो bail at least jail से तो निकालना ना अपना बंदा कोई काम करे
and bail काफी दफा मिल जाती है वैसे
हाँ मिल जाती है because surety नहीं so our only limitation is कि we put 30,000 maximum amount हम रखवा सकते हैं based on our funds. उसके अलावा अगर हमें कोई प्राइवेट होता है ये लेकिन अगेन वी हैव सम ऑब्वियसली थोड़ा सा हमें फिल्टर करना पड़ता है इन द सेंस वी नीड टू मेक श्योर कि हमारा स्टाफ इज सेफ बिकॉज पहले हम अपने नाम पे रखवाते हैं नाउ वी सी मेक श्योर कि बंदा जो है उसकी फैमिली आ जाए उनके नाम पे हम रखवाएंगे एंड देन यू फ्री टू गो
सो डू यू टेल द जजेस दैट यू आर रिप्रेजेंटिंग देम एज अ लीगल एड सोसाइटी
yes so no it's so again there you need to make sure you need to understand कि legal aid society is a non-profit is an NGO
and then CWP
and committee for the welfare of like we're associated because we did this began with CWP Justice Nasir Aslam Sahib ने किया था and then because obviously limited था to prison he wanted to work in other areas as well. उसके बाद फिर LAS established हुआ था. So
Right.
sister organization.
Okay.
But different.
They have different roles as well, right?
Yeah. So
Yeah,
see, LAS
obviously.
की funding is government की नहीं है. It's international, etc. ठीक है. But ours is specifically Sindh government. Like we home department में हम report करते हैं, etc.
So do you tell the judges if they aren't accepting कि जी 50,000 रुपए रखें surety या 60,000
Yeah. So see again. So I think you'll respect me even more after I tell you this. So we have a full monitoring and evaluation system mechanism where our lawyers are trained कि एक तो ये कि जब आप अपने UTP से मिल रहे हैं तो आप उसको पूरा उसका चार्ट समझाएंगे कि आपका क्या है, उसको मैक्सिमम सेंटेंस जो भी like चीजें you become very transparent so
right.
the person understands कि क्या situation है, क्या possibilities हो सकती हैं, ठीक है. उसके so I'm telling you this because अगर हमारे lawyers को they're also like trained in the sense कि they're told कि अगर आपको लगता है कि बेल का अमाउंट ज्यादा है, शोर्टी का अमाउंट ज्यादा है, तो you need to argue with the judge कि आप कम करें. And how do we make sure that all of this is happening? Because we have a M&E system, like monitoring and evaluation system. I've been to courts where I've met people and asked them कि अच्छा अगर आपकी आई थी इतने अमाउंट आया था तो क्या आपके वकील ने बताया कि ये कम हो सकती है?
So it's a check and balance. Check and balance.
So even though this again, so I think there's a lot of misconception कि government की चीज है तो बस रूल ही रही होगी, corruption ही हो रही होगी. But I've been here for 3 years and I can say it with all confidence कि भाई एक पैसा इधर से उधर नहीं हो रहा. Whatever we get is going completely to the people.
लेकिन देखो ना, ये तो आपके ज़मीर की बात है. This is you and your upbringing, and this is
it's not just
the whole department, the whole committee and the whole organization, but generally, even you know, I know, the world knows how government funds are.
Yeah, but then again, see, kabhi-kabhi you need to look at the small good that is happening and support that. I think a lot is lost. अगर आप सब बिल्कुल like आपको लगता है कि नहीं यार सभी खराब हैं. Good things get lost.
Right.
Like
the bad things get highlighted.
We're very
more,
small in the sense कि हमारा strength कम है. जैसे अभी I was making a presentation right now only. I told you 79% of the prisoners are under trial, and every year we reach at least 15%. 15% of the prisoners in Sindh. Number come hai, but okay, I understand. Number come.
But these are humans we're talking about.
Exactly.
Right?
So like if I tell you that on an average हम 2,500 लोगों को represent करते हैं, that's 2,500 lives, और उसको multiply करो to their families.
To their family members, and each person obviously.
हाँ, so like वैसे देखने में. Again, I'm saying this because I understand जब आप report कर रहे होते हैं etc. या लोगों को because I also work for business development etc. तो लोगों को number चाहिए, number बड़ा चाहिए, right? कभी-कभार perspective में डालना जरूरी होता है ना कि you need to think of it in a different context.
That these are not numbers, these are like human beings.
हाँ, and unfortunately development sector में थोड़ा सा ये issue है कि people like reduced to numbers. Poverty point तो है ये कि हाँ, my God, like African बच्चे दिखा दो गरीब etc. That's like, oh my God, need help. वो थोड़ा सा. My only issue with aid has been, especially international aid, has been एक तो dependence तो है. दूसरा, there's this savior complex. Now we'll come and save you. So when they're giving you aid, so I took a course on international overseas development. I don't remember the course.
This was in Habib.
Yeah, thank God for Habib. I swear to God. So when all of this was happening, I was remembering one of my professors. She was a practitioner, okay? And she was against our reliance on international aid.
I don't blame her.
I don't blame. Yeah,
absolutely.
It made sense. And you know why it made sense? Because she took us to one of World Bank's project, and she wanted us to critique it. And she was right. Most of the aid that you get, governments, etc., you make infrastructures, right? These infrastructures do not generate income. So how do you plan on giving the money back that you're taking in aid?
Taking all the money, you have no.
Uske alawa, aid is always tied. I would say aid is always tied in the sense that wo aayenge, and they just don't. Sometimes they don't just give you aid. They also tell you technical assistance. So they tell you how to fix your problem. When the problem exists, local solutions.
Ground reality, and ground reality is very different.
Ground reality is not, but local solutions. I don't know if you've been to a Rangi pilot project.
I have not. I have not.
I think
I've heard a lot
I
about it.
think you definitely should, because Habib में ही I went there, and that's where we realized कि सच में लोग, so उनका पानी का issue है, उसका मसला है, but what they did was उन्होंने मोहल्लों को ही mobilize कर लिया था. मोहल्लों से बोला कि आपका ये issue है, you want to fix this, you tell us how we can fix this. So if you come to me,
Because I would know the
half
ground
of the
reality.
time I come to you with a problem, I already know the solution, right? Sometimes you just need redirection. कि अच्छा ठीक है, you tell me how can we fix this,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Wow, this feels like a conversation.
This feels like a conversation, doesn't it? You were just nervous कि यार मुझे लाइटें देख के कुछ हो रहा है, मुझे कैमरे
because
देख
it's
के
so
कुछ हो रहा है.
awkward. No, but so उन लोग के साथ they just mobilize the community. उन्होंने खुद mobilize किया, वो खुद ही fund, अपने आप को खुद ही fund करते हैं, पैसे जमा करके, जो उनको हर घर जमा होगा, भाई आपको कराना है काम कराना है, खुद सब कुछ, they'll do it on their own. So they don't need to rely on.
And they know how to solve their own problems better than anyone else coming from
Yeah.
outside. It's just like community policing.
Yeah.
मैंने देखा था community policing का concept जब मैं उधर काम कर रहा था. हमारे पास नहीं है वो concept कि आप, if you have a community, let's say of a lot of, it's an area which is Sindhi dominated, for example, you get policemen who are Sindhi speaking. That way, उधर उनको ना वो so-called भाईचारा feel होगा, residents को भी, उनको भी, and the crime will interestingly go down. And there's research on it which shows that crime will go down. There was an African American
Will it go down,
area.
or is it not reported?
I would assume so. The research that I read, it said it went down. Now that's an interesting aspect to see. Does it not even get reported? But
भाईचारे से तो I would assume.
There were African American areas where they had policemen who were African Americans, and उन्होंने उस police member को उस area में रखा, and the crime went down because they felt like, you know, we can better communicate with African American people as compared to white.
Okay, well I think वो थोड़ा सा power dynamic भी
Right, but I feel like वो फिर उसी local ground reality का उसका मसला अलग है, हमारा अलग है. हमारे पास it might not work as you said. You know, तो report ही नहीं होगा, बोलेंगे यार खैर जाने दो.
हाँ, हो सकता है. नहीं, I think, I don't know.
I think it's different for.
There's not enough research that we have.
Do we believe in research though? That is.
Yeah, देखो, I think that you always sometimes, most of the times, you need a starting point, right? So even if you're right, if you want to solve a problem, you need to know what the problem is, right?
And to know what the problem is, you have to recognize that there is a problem to even begin with. We don't recognize that there is a problem.
What do you mean by that?
For example, the judiciary. अगर आप देखो कि आप कहो कि जी आपके जजमेंट्स बहुत हो रही हैं, आप इसको कम करें, आप इस मसले को हल करें, कहते नहीं वो तो वैसी होती है, दुनिया में हर जगह होती है. मैंने कहा भाई दुनिया में तो और भी बहुत चीजें होती हैं, फिर वो भी करो. So, you know, recognizing the problem is the first step, and then you can move on towards solutions. So if you're not even recognizing.
I think, isn't judiciary like under?
Yeah. So I was in court today.
Pendency. I've heard a lot of this. It's the pendency, like 1.26 million cases.
26 lakh.
I was looking at Law and Justice Commission की report June 24, मुझे latest नहीं मिली. I was really surprised to find out that Sindh High Court, Sindh के district courts में 50% of the cases pending are criminal.
I didn't know that. Really? 50%. Like half of them.
I was actually shocked at the percentage. I was like,
the criminal cases should obviously be on priority. They're supposed to get solved. But you see, then फिर वाली कहानी आती, investigating officer नहीं आया.
Oh, I think मैंने अभी last 1-1.5 महीने में इतना deep dive किया ना इसके अंदर, I don't want to get lost in this.
I have proposed, I was like, let's get rid of the investigating officer. You know, let's bring in an amendment, get rid of this entire concept.
What?
Have the police officer do the investigation himself. Let the police officer do everything.
Would all of this then be tagged onto a human resource problem? कि भाई बंदा ही नहीं है, police station में रुकेगा, patrolling करेगा या investigation?
Patrolling is also another funny concept. You know, I'm glad you brought it up.
It doesn't work.
Oh, it doesn't work. You know?
I don't know. I've been living in Malikan for so many years now that patrolling is a bizarre idea to me. मुझे नहीं याद. Now I don't remember.
Even outside Malikan, you see, main Seaview Road पे.
I think
दिन के टाइम में पेट्रोलिंग हो रही है, and I was like, what will you possibly get
listen,
here?
Tell me कि जो इनको फ्यूल मिलता है.
हाँ, they get fuel. अभी तो नई गाड़ियाँ भी खरीदी हैं, Toyota Yaris, so they have new cars.
No, but I'm talking about वो बड़ी वाली जो van होती है, जो पीछे बैठे होते हैं.
नहीं, Vigos जो है, हाँ, उसमें ये है.
Vigo भी नहीं. Vigo कहाँ?
Vigo होती है ना?
I would know.
मोबाइल जो होती है ना,
मुझे पता है
पुलिस मोबाइल जो है.
हाँ.
But I was saying, you see now, so this is something so basic that you're patrolling at 2 p.m. broad daylight, main Seaview पे. Who are you going to catch? You see, you're supposed to open up, and this is where someone like you comes in, who brings in research and says, आप FIRs निकालें, आप FIR निकाल के देखें कहाँ पे crime ज़्यादा हो रहा है, patrol there. Who do you possibly think are you going to catch?
I recently found out that FIR is now all FIRs are being digitized.
They're all digitized.
Now.
KP is digitized. Sorry, Sindh is not. Sindh is not.
I've from what I've found based on my research, I cried yesterday.
Why did you cry? Because people were leaving.
No, yaar, this is rolling.
Yeah, it's no, but I'll let you know whenever you want to start, you can start.
No. What do you want to ask me now?
Nothing. It's gonna keep going.
Too much pressure. I don't want to do this.
No,
I cried because my office I used to like support staff basically, and he was suspended for 3 months.
What do you do?
Suspended because of this.
No, I thought he did something. He got suspended.
No, we're not in school. Suspension नहीं होती है.
Disciplinary committee नहीं होती.
No, but तो बेचारे को like he was telling me कि उम्मीद मैं तो शादी करने वाला था, मेरी बहन की शादी है, and I just felt really bad because these are people I see Scrappy. Sorry, I got distracted.
Scrappy's gonna. She can come in.
No, she's going to bite me.
No, she can sit here.
हाँ, please. I feel no. What if she bites? भाई पकड़ के रखना.
If she bites, she bites.
Then.
So this is Kip. No.
Is she licking your face?
Yeah, she licked my face already.
Oh no! Go wash your face. No, you don't. Why has her tail like that? I don't think she's comfortable.
She's always comfortable. Chalo, Gappy. Off you go. That's chaos.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I cried because of that. It's sad. It's always sad to see people.
It's always sad to see people leave, especially for this reason.
I'm so I realized crazy. I thought I'd try when you go to US, but I didn't.
When did I go to the US?
When you went to the US.
When did I go to the US?
See, anyone who's on your Facebook would know because आपने update किया हुआ था.
मैं update रखता हूँ ना लोगों को. तुम law degree कब कर रही हो?
I wanted to do it this year.
Yeah, the 3-year one, right?
No.
You would do it in 1 year.
Because you only have to take exams, right? Yeah. I'm very close, but now I don't know.
Do it. I feel like you have the brains, you can do it because every other person is doing it and they're doing well.
My excuse was time first, but I think with like one project on, I will have enough time. But I'm thinking about different things. I think I understand, I love, like, you don't have to do things that you love all the time, right?
That's true. Or else you lose passion for them.
No. So, I mean, I can do this, but I also need to think this entire situation has made me realize that I need to diversify my skill set, B, my sources of income.
Same. It's true.
Listen,
that is true.
Abhi to alhamdulillah, I still had like 2 different places I was being paid from, right? So
now it's one.
I'm still okay, alhamdulillah. Now,
but it's always good to have that mindset.
This year I thought that I was learning about the stock market, investment, blah blah blah.
Crypto?
No, not crypto, like stock.
Okay.
Actual stock types. But I think I am zero on financial literacy, and I think that's the most important.
But that's a good view you have, though. Not many people have this mindset. You're not supposed to have only one source of income. You're supposed to have more than one source.
Listen, I think I'm fortunate that I was raised by a father who is always very concerned about everyone's financial well-being.
No, he's right.
But he's always told us that you should always khud ka kaam hona chahiye. You should be working for yourself. Okay? Because a job always limits you. Okay? In terms of finances, etc. I think mostly finances one guy. I think no one in my family, like my dad, my brothers, has ever been on a job. Like they've been employed, but not they've been self-employed. So they don't understand the concept of
a 9 to 5, right?
Yeah, 9 to 5. They're like day se chali jao late. oh, बारिश हो रही है छुट्टी करना. Like, that's not how it works. I have to go no matter what until they tell me I can stay home, right?
Yeah.
So my dad has always told us, "Okay, listen, you should do something on your own." And he's always he's really big. Okay, if you can't like do another job or like have a business, etc., think about investing thing. And he did this with us when we were young. जब हम ईदी जमा की थी हमने, I think it was वो jackpot year था probably. Some तीनों भाइयों ने की and मैंने की थी. So he said कि अच्छा ठीक है, you have this much money, you have two options. You can either go, और एक टॉय शॉप थी जहाँ हम जो बचपन की थी, जो उसका नाम हम देते हैं कि यहाँ जाके या तो तुम खरीद लो जो भी खरीदना जो यूजुअली करते हैं, or you can give me this money and I can invest it in my business and I can give you a return. And that's what we did.
And that is how you started developing that concept.
And we were really young. We were in school, ठीक है, primary school, like 5-6 के होंगे हम, ठीक है, 3 या 4 या 5 में थे. तब मैंने बोला मुझे दे दो, I will invest it and I will give you a return. So you get a pocket money or whatever return every month, I'll add that to your pocket money.
So तुम्हारा वो concept शुरू से develop हुआ investment.
हाँ, and then I was like, okay, अच्छा, this is a thing. Like your money works for you. That's different. And I remember my brothers, after a year, they withdrew the money. They got PlayStations. I don't know. I still tell my dad, मेरे तो अभी भी होने चाहिए. Where's my return?
But well, Fatma, thank you. You took the time out.
So we're done.
We're done.
Nice. Can
you
I have my
self-invited
chips?
yourself here. So I think.
Excuse me. I have receipts. I can pull them out. You should put. I will send you screenshots. You have to put that in.
No, I'll put in your introduction.
Huh?
Like, I'll write in an introduction that you work for welfare and But thank you.
I work in welfare.
Yeah, I mean you work for the people, so that's welfare.
Yeah.
So,
but I'm paid for it, so I don't know if that.
It's still welfare.
I'm putting in my time.
Putting in your time, and time is money. So, but thank you. You took the time, and I will definitely have you here again.
Do not point fingers at me. I hate it.
Absolutely, I'll be here again. Thank you. Done.